Good morning, children. So today we are going to study about cleanliness, health and hygiene. So as we all know that cleanliness plays a very important role in our day-to-day life, isn't it? Especially during this pandemic caused by COVID-19. We need to take extra precautions when it comes to personal cleanliness as well as hygiene around us, isn't it? So it is a very important part or very important for us to wash our hands with soap and sanitize ourselves frequently, isn't it? This is done now. At present also it's become very important, and before also we used to do, but now it's become more important, isn't it? So whatever you do, whatever you touch, anything you do, we are told to wash our hands frequently with the help of soap and use a sanitizer. So children, how often do you wash your hands now? When it comes to brushing your teeth, and when we brush our teeth in the morning, but how many of you brush your teeth when you go to sleep? When you go to sleep, do you brush your teeth? Normally we don't do, isn't it? But we have to brush our teeth when you go to bed. Before going to bed also, we must brush our teeth. So we have to brush our teeth in the morning as well as before going to bed. This is must. So we must, and not only that, how often you'll comb your hair? We must comb our hair and trim our nails as well as wash our face regularly. This is all about cleanliness, isn't it? So when it comes to looking after our body, what do we do now? So when it comes to looking after our body, what has to be done? What do we do now? First thing, food. When you look after your body, means the food comes first, isn't it? We must eat healthy food and in the right quantity. For the energy, we need to work and play. We need energy to play as well as we need energy to work also, isn't it? As well as to play also we need an energy. If you don't have energy, if you haven't had your food properly, if you didn't have your food properly, then what happened? We will not be able to play also. So food plays a very important role, and we must eat bodybuilding foods such as fish, pulses, chicken, cereal grains such as rice, maize, all that, isn't it? Comes to cereal grains. Wheat and all comes to cereal grains to maintain good health. Now, eating fruits and vegetables also it will help us to fight diseases, and drinking milk for strong bones. We must drink a glass of milk for our strong bones. Apart from eating healthy food, we should also drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Especially drink warm water to avoid cold and cough or flu, we say, isn't it? It's a very common now, and it's very risky also, very dangerous also. So we must drink warm water very frequently. For example, 8 to 10 glasses a day. Now, we'll talk about rest now. Rest, which not only relaxes our body but also our brain. It relaxes our brain also. When we rest, it relaxes our brain also, which is very important. And children, how many hours do you sleep? We need to sleep also, isn't it? Whole day work and play, we need to sleep also. So how many hours do you sleep now? It is important to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every day. Okay, so 7 to 8 hours every day, it is a must. So we need to sleep and take rest also. So all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. There's a proverb saying, isn't it, in English? It is said that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So now we will talk about play and recreation now. So we should play outdoor games as well as indoor games. Outdoor games which is played outside, and indoor which is played in the inside the room, isn't it? Inside the house, inside the room. So it helps to remain active and alert. So instead of watching TV, instead of watching too much of television or playing games in the mobile phones and computer, which will also not only hampers you, but it will also strains our eyes and it will make them weak, isn't it? So outdoor games and indoor games are very, very important. You should play outside also, so that you will get fresh air also, isn't it? Now let's take a deep breath. Take a deep breath and talk about exercise regularly. We must have a proper regular exercise also, which improves the circulation and keeps us fit and healthy. It improves or it helps us to circulate our blood, as well as it keeps us fit and healthy. So for this we can do what we can do for a exercise. What kind of exercise can you do? We can do a jogging, we can do yoga, and you can do aerobics also to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Now that's why we have yoga in the mornings assembly, isn't it? Twice a day, right? Once a day or once a week or twice a week, isn't it? So which helps you to stay fit and healthy. Now along with personal hygiene, it is also very important for us to keep our surroundings clean, which is very, very important. So since we are responsible for our surroundings, we should not throw garbage everywhere, here and there, isn't it? Roadside or in an open space or in a park or something like that. Whenever we get the chance, we just throw the garbage everywhere, isn't it? That should not be done. That should be stopped. So spitting here and there, which is very common, isn't it? You also do normally in the school. At home also you do sometimes, isn't it? That should not be done. So spitting here and there on roads and walls should be stopped. Or littering around in school premises. So this also we keep on telling you not to litter things in the class and the school premises, isn't it? So this should be stopped. And keeping the water body clean, like in the riverside, in the riverside, we throw the things, dirty things, isn't it? We throw whatever the food we eat, the package and all, the things and plastic and all, we throw it in the water. We throw it in the river and riverside and all. That should not be done. And use of polythene bags should be avoided, which is very common, isn't it? So paper should not be wasted. We should not waste paper. And planting more trees and plant in our surroundings are very, very important. So we must plant trees and we must plant a plant in our surroundings, in our near surroundings, which will keep the surroundings neat and clean. So lastly, we'll talk about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, launched by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 2nd of October 2014. So which features these are the features which features the construction of toilets in every school. Yes, so there is a construction of toilet where there was no toilet in the school. Some primary schools, they did not have a toilet. So these toilets were constructed in every school and every village of India. So cleanliness at public places, cleanliness are maintained every public places. Plantation of trees, planting more trees, and cleaning of major rivers such as Ganga and Yamuna, etc. So these are the certain features, right? So, and with this we have come to the end of the chapter, end of the syllabus of the year 2020. So this is the last chapter for the year 2020, and we will be completing the chapters of the exercises in an offline class. So maybe this is the last live class we are having today. Okay, so we have completed the syllabus for the year 2020. That is the last, today's was the last chapter, okay? That is cleanliness, health and hygiene. So children, wish you all the best for your final term. Do well, give your best. That's all.